Welcome back, guys. My name is Amir, and in this episode, I want to create a Zoom 3D transition. And let's do this. Here, guys, add adjustment layer and follow my setting. Okay. From Effect tab, guys, add a basic 3D, and I will show you what setting do. Okay, guys, here click stopwatch and follow my setting. This is so fast, guys. Put one for that. Okay, guys, here from Effect tab, search transform and add it to your adjustment layer and follow my setting. Okay, nice. Press U for open our keyframe and select our keyframe transform and press F9 and go into graph. Okay, nice, guys. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more.